So I'm in a Denver neighborhood, a house that we finished remodeling. If you've been watching our videos, you've seen this one when we first started, or before we started, when we were halfway through. It has a new driveway now, new siding, new windows, all new light fixtures, new plumbing fixtures. We added a second bathroom, moved the laundry room. You know, so we did a whole lot to this house. But I thought I'd show you what the end product was. Just keep it, we did not touch the roof, but we pretty much did everything else that you can physically see in the house, including moving the laundry room and adding a second bathroom. So this was a 2-bed, 1-bath. It is now a 3-bed, 2-bath. We didn't necessarily add a bedroom per se, we just put a closet in this room, right? So it was just kind of a room, a big room with no closet, so that was an easy decision. We added the closet. And then this back room, this is a bathroom, an attached bathroom off the master. It used to have a door in that corner to a laundry room. We got rid of that. We moved the wall over just a little bit to give us enough space, and we installed this second bathroom. So it's a nice master bathroom. And then on the other side of the house, we moved the laundry in here. We have hookups for a stackable washer dryer. And here we've got the existing bathroom completely remodeled. So making these adjustments to the house significantly increase the value. So we are under contract now. I think we have, you never know exactly how much you increase the value because it's hard to say what it would have sold for, if you didn't do anything. But just looking at the comps and studying the market and giving it my best guess, I think that it would have sold somewhere around $350-ish the way it used to be before we touched anything, because it was pretty rough. It is under contract for $500, and it costs $90,000 to get from before to after. So about an extra 60 grand there of added equity from doing this remodel. So some things, I guess, to point out. We spent the money, we took this wall, we opened this up. We wanted to keep that 10 feet or less. So that's why we have this wall still coming out to here, right? Because that allowed us to have a lower cost solution for running a beam, because it is a structural wall. So that it didn't cost much, and that's something you should always try to do if you can limit it to 10 and still get that open feel. So that's one thing we did. We definitely spent our money on adding bedrooms and bathrooms, right? We added a closet, we added a whole second bathroom. That's what really gets you the bang for your buck. That's where you're gonna get a lot of extra profit. So that's where we spent our money. We did not touch the roof because it was in decent shape. We did use brushed stainless steel for all the hardware, which is a little easier to get, right? And a little less expensive than using black. You'll notice on a lot of our houses, we use black. On this one, we used stainless steel. And the reason we did that is if we look out the windows here, just a lot of deferred maintenance on the houses. This is not a super high-end neighborhood. So little things like, get stainless steel appliances that look nice, but don't get super expensive ones, right? Get the least expensive package you can get that still looks really nice, and don't spend money on the black hardware. Use brushed stainless steel. Don't go get fancy shaker style doors. Just go get the 6-panel doors that are off the shelf at Home Depot. There's no reason to really go all out on any of this stuff when you're in a neighborhood like this, where you're going to be the best in the neighborhood without going that extra mile. If this was going to be like a $700,000 house, yeah, we're gonna upgrade things a little, use a little nicer everything, because those buyers are seeing that. But these buyers at this price point in this neighborhood are not looking for that. So it's just flushed money, right? We're not going to get any higher price with a little higher end of finishing of fixtures. So Hopefully that helps. Hopefully you can learn from the success here on this project, and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.